this video, we will show you how to replace the end cap assembly on a Hunter Douglas VertiGlide shade. First, we'll remove the valance and cord tensioner. Unclip and remove the valance if installed. Loosen the screw on the cord tensioner and remove it from the headrail. Untie the cord from the cord tensioner. Locate the end plate with the cord running through it. Loosen the screws on the end plate and remove it. Untie the knot, securing the washer to the end of the cord. Important: hold on to both cord ends to prevent them from slipping back into the rail. For ease of viewing, we will be performing the rest of these steps with the product on a table. When done in the field, you will perform these steps with the product still vertical. For inside mount shades, it may be necessary to uninstall the headrail from the installation brackets to access the components in these next steps. You should now see two loose cord ends coming from the cord guide carrier. Remove the screws. Lift and remove the cord guide carrier, pulling both cords through. Now we will install the new end cap tower into the moving rail. Thread both cords through the new tower end cap. You can use the orange cord threader if necessary. Install the new end cap tower and secure it with screws. Tie the washer to one cord end. Follow the same method used during installation to secure and tension the cord.